Hi, I'm John Clancy. I'm the CEO of Galvia.
Hi, I'm David Birmingham. I'm the Director of AI at AIM Centre in Sligo. So John, how important is it for SMEs to start small when adopting AI, and how will they do that through the Accelerator Programme?
Yeah, I think if you park the AI side, any new technology that you're bringing into your business, you need to start narrow. And what we like to say is internally crowdsource its development. And what we mean by that is look at what area of your business can you make the most impact with the new technology. Whether that is, as I touched on before, driving efficiency or reducing cost, start there, understand, collaborate with your teams, be curious, and then grow it out so you can look at other parts of your organization.